Alright, people, here we go. This is our snow we've gotten so far. It's not much, but this is just the beginning. We're supposed to be getting some more snow. There's my house right there. That's my neighbor, Auntie Shirley. That's her house. I'm gonna shovel her driveway for her. You know, we got the drifts going. Snow drifts. The wind's gonna be picking up pretty soon. I'm looking at my trees back here. Hopefully they don't land in my neighbor's shed. That would not be cool. Soccer ball. Little birdhouse. This is my smoking area. This is my backyard. So we got about an inch. We got a dusting. But it's gonna be getting worse tonight. But this is my smoking area. This is my chair. This is my smoker grill. So this is pretty much the first shovel. I'm gonna be shoveling all night. Hold on. Oop. Oh, whatever. So it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's supposed to pick up really heavy at like around 7 o'clock at night. So, yep, this is my first shovel. Next time I come out here to shovel, I'll do up another video. But this is pretty much my backyard. There's Lenny's. There's Lenny's little Mercedes. A little basketball hoop. I got my gloves ready to go. This is my neighbor's garage. She lets me kind of use it to store some of my junk. And return the favor, I shovel her fucking driveway. Fuck it. Oh yeah, it's fucking cold. We got a good old boy down there. Oh, actually, he just must have fucking. He has a little smokestack. Got my buddy over here. He's got his freaking boat in his backyard. Fuck. But this is pretty much it, man. This is pretty much winter in New England. It's not too bad, though. It's gonna get colder. It's gonna get more snow. So, I'll give you guys another update. Peace.